Hi mga ka-POV! Day 78 na tanmo sa itong pagbasa sa 100 Life Changing Quotes Devotional. Huwag magsugod na ta. Ingon diri nga, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling but in rising every time we fall, by Nelson Mandela. So no, it means kaning lies kanang nagsubay or nagsunod, no. Di lang lies nga nangilad. Ang the greatest glory ko, no, sa tong kinabuhi, nagsunod or nagsubay sa not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Di ta sa atong na down ta, but kundi sa times nga kita sa atong downfall kita ni rise, no. Falling is part of life, but God's grace gives us the strength to rise again. God helps us to rise again. Each time we stumble, God is there to lift us up, offering forgiveness and renewal, because God is always nagauban ka nato. The true measure of our character is not in avoiding failure, but in how we respond to it, how we fight for it, how we solve for it. Mo na sidya ang true character. With God's help, we can rise from every fall stronger, wiser, and more determined to follow His path. In Proverbs 24:16, ingon diri nga, for a just man falleth 7 times and riseth up again, but the wicked shall fall into mischief. And so no, for though the righteous fall 7 times, but he rise again. Pero katong wicked, mautong mga tao nga na fall dyan hanto, no. So it means kaning righteous is di ra kundi perfect, no, but kundi naay ang Ginoo. Kay ang Ginoo perfect man. Kung naa ang Ginoo sa kinabuhi, you are perfect. But as tawhanon jud nga tao or fleshly jud, makasala jud ta, no. So katong mga wicked, it means wala to Ginoo, lajo sila sa Ginoo. So that's why they fall harder, no. They cannot rise because they have sinned. And nganong gitawag pud ni sidyang righteous, it because kay ang Ginoo ning live sa atong kasing-kasi og kinabuhi, and He will always forgive sa atong mga kalapasan or mga kakuwangan, no. No, we cannot worship and glorify God every day and we disobeyed His words, no, because we are not perfect malagi. Ang Ginoo ra man jud perfect, and mao lagi na nga, even if ma-fall man ka many times, but you have God in your life, you can rise again, because God will help you, give you strength to make you stronger, make you wiser, and more determined to follow His path and His will. And that's why di na ka ma-discourage or di na ka ma-worry o ma-fall pag kag kapila kung naa kay Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi.